So we've got the lounge here set up with all the cushions here as a sleeping area, but I'll show you what it looks like and we'll go through all the cushions. We'll just take these cushions off here first so I can stand around the side of the seating. Just pop them on the bed. So our first cushion here, you'll notice it's higher at the top than the bottom. So this is our first one that sits in this space here that has Velcro. Then our next cushion has Velcro on each side, and that runs through this whole seating area here. Then we have our bend. So when you put these cushions in place, just take note that this longer side here is into the cabin. Otherwise this back one won't fit. And then there's another one which has Velcro to Velcro and then going all the way around. Now for packing up, we need to take all the backs of the cushions off and sit them down. So I'll show you where they go. So these side flat back ones, they can come off and go on the floor. I'm just tucking them underneath the table. And then our smaller one can sit on there also. And then all we're left with is our two corners, and they can come in here on an angle. And then lastly, we put our tabletop back on, and that just sits there. Nice and easy.